So find out what is length of the transverse axis, length of the conjugate axis, eccentricity, cosine, length of latus rectum, equations of latus rectum, equations of direct traces, coordinates of ends of latus rectum, distance between foci, distance between the direct traces of this hyperbola. This is the equation of a hyperbola. In the examination, they are not asking all the questions like this here. For 1 marks, they are asking only one question here. For 2 marks, they are asking here any two. And for 3 marks, it is a 3 questions. And 4 marks, it is a 4 questions here. Okay, but you should know all of things here. Okay, you should know all the formulas here. So that is important here. Therefore, comparing this equation with the standard equation of the hyperbola, comparing this equation with x square divided by a square minus of y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. So a square is equal to 16 here. A square is equal to 16 and b square is equal to 9 here. Then a value is 4 and b is equal to 3 here. In this case, the hyperbola like this here means x-axis is the transverse axis here. Okay, hyperbola is in this direction here. So x-axis is the transverse axis and y-axis is the conjugate axis here and O is the center here. Then A dash, these are the vertices. You know, here this distance is A unit here. Even O A dash is also A unit. Therefore, vertices plus or minus A comma 0 here. So this is equal to plus or minus A value is 4 comma 0. These are the vertices means coordinates of A and A dash. Length of the transverse axis means distance between A and A dash. This is a unit. This is also A unit. A plus A becomes 2A. Therefore, 2 into 4 is equal to 8 here. And the length of the conjugate axis is 2B. Then 2 into 3 here. 2 into 3 becomes 6 here. Next, eccentricity is given by 1 plus b square by a square here. 1 plus here b square is 9 here. And a square is 16. Then 16 ones are 16 plus 9 becomes 25. 25 divided by 16 here. Therefore, e square is equal to 25 by 16 means obviously eccentricity is 5 divided by 4 here. This value is greater than 1 here. So for hyperbola, eccentricity always greater than 1. For ellipse, eccentricity less than 1. For parabola, eccentricity is equal to 1 here. So this value is greater than 1. So obviously this is related to hyperbola here. Then the length of the latus rectum here, 2 into b square value is 9 here divided by a value is 4. 2 ones or 2 2s are cancels here. So it is 9 divided by 2 here. Then equations of latera recta are, so latus rectum is singular, latera rectum is plural because 2 latus rectum, this is 1 latus rectum, this is latus rectum is here as well as here. Okay, so L dash, L1 dash, these are the latera recta. This is 1 latus rectum, this is other latus rectum. In the plural, it is said to be latera recta here. Therefore, equations of latera recta. So plus or minus A into E plus or minus A into E. Okay. In this case, A value is 4 here into E value is 5 by 4. So 5 divided by 4 here. So this is equal to 4 and 4 cancels. Remaining is 5. Okay, even foci also there. You have to find the foci here. So I will not written here foci. So here I am written here foci. So foci. So plus or minus a into e comma 0. That is plus or minus a into e becomes a 5. So 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0. Okay. So take this one as 11th again. So foci plus or minus a comma 0, and you know a into e value is a 5. So 5 comma 0. So s is a one focus here, and s dash is a one more focus. Plural it is said to be foci. Okay, or foci also. Then equations of direct traces here. So plus or minus a by e. So a value 4. Okay, it is a 4 here. And e value is a 5 by 4. So 5 divided by 4 here. Take a 4 to numerator here. So plus or minus 16 divided by 5. So 16 divided by 5. So x equal to plus or minus 16 by 5. Equations of these direct traces here. Then the coordinates of ends of data system L, L dash, L1, L1 dash. These are the ends of the letter or rectangle. Therefore, so plus or minus a into e. You know here a into e is a 5. So write here 5, comma b square value is a 9. A value is a 4. 9 by 4 here. It is a 9 divided by 4. Similarly, here plus or minus 5 minus of 9 divided by 4 here. Then the distance between foci means the distance between s and s dash to a into e here. You know a into e value is a 5. Therefore 2 into 5 becomes 10 here. So distance between foci is 10 units here. Then the distance between direct traces here. So 2 into a value is 4 and e value is 5 by 4 here. 4 goes to numerator. 4 4s are 16. 16 to 2s are 32 here. So 32 divided by 5. So distance between the direct traces and foci plus or minus a comma 0 plus or minus 5 comma 0. So next equation here, 16x square minus 9y square is equal to 576 here. Then dividing both sides by 576 here. Therefore 16 x square divided by 576 minus of 9y square divided by 576 is equal to 1 here. Then 16 ones are 16 36 is here. X square divided by 36 minus of y square divided by 9 ones are 9 64 are 576 is equal to 1 here. So in this case especially 36 is less than 64, even though RHS is a plus 1 here. Okay, here the transverse axis and conjugate axis decide using this RHS term here. Suppose the equation is like this here, x square divided by a square minus of y square by b square is equal to 1 here. Then this is the equation of transverse hyperbola. Okay. Then suppose the equation like this here, x square divided by a square minus of y square divided by b square is equal to minus 1. Then it is a conjugate hyperbola. So this is simply hyperbola here. Conjugate hyperbola means here y-axis becomes transverse axis here like this. So such type of hyperbola is said to be conjugate hyperbola. This is only hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola is this here. Equation of this conjugate hyperbola is this one. which are decide upon means we decide using this RHS term here. If RHS is a plus 1 and the left side x square by a square minus y square by b square, then it is an equation of hyperbola. If left side x square by a square minus y square by b square, right side it is a minus 1, then it is a conjugate hyperbola. Okay, here we are not taking a and b values here, but in ellipse we are taking a and b. Suppose a greater than b, then ellipse is in the direction here. If a is less than b, then ellipse is in this direction here. But here we are not using a and b values here. We are using right side terms here. If it is plus 1, it is hyperbola. If it is a minus 1, then it is a conjugate hyperbola. Okay, whatever it may be. Here a and b value, whatever it may be, you just observe RHS plus 1 is there or minus 1 here. Here it is plus 1, so it is a equation of hyperbola only. Therefore, comparing this equation with this equation with x square divided by a square minus of y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. Therefore, a square is equal to 36 and b square is equal to 64 here. Then a value is 6 here and b value is 8 here. Okay. In this case, it is an equation of hyperbola because RHS is a plus 1 here. Okay. Therefore, length of the mixed vertices here plus or minus a, 0. So plus or minus a value is 6 here. So 6, 0. Length of the transverse axis here 2 into 6 is equal to 12, and the length of the conjugate axis is 2 into 8 is equal to 16 here. And eccentricity is given by 1 plus so 64 divided by 36 here. Then the 36 is the LCM. 36 ones are 36 plus 64 gives 100 here. So E square is equal to 100 divided by 36. Therefore, E is equal to what here? 10 divided by 6 here. Or 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are. So 5 divided by 3 here. Obviously, this value is greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, this ellipse is related to hyperbola only. Then the length of the letter septum here 2 into. So b square is 64 here divided by a value is 6 here. 2 1s are 2 3s are cancels here. So 64 divided by 3 here. Length of the letter septum. Here plus or minus a value 6 here and e value 5 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are cancels. So 5 2s are 10 here. So equations of letter or vector x equal to plus or minus here. So here plus or minus 10 here. Then the direct axis plus or minus a value is 6 here and e value 5 by 3. Therefore plus or minus take 3 to numerator, 6 3s are 18. 18 divided by 5. Coordinates of ends of letter septum. Here you know a into e is 10 here. So it is plus or minus 10. So plus or minus 10. B square is 64 divided by a value 6 here. So plus or minus 10, comma. Then we can divide here. 2 32s are 2 3s are. Even here also plus or minus 10 minus of 32 divided by 3. Distance between the foci. So 2 into here you know a into is 10 here. 10 2s are 20. and direct axis is given by 2e by e, 2e divided by e. You know, 2 into a value is 6 here and e value is 5 by 3. 3 goes to numerator, 6 3s are 18, 18 to the 36 here, 36 by 5. So therefore, so this gives the 36 divided by 5 here. Then cosine. Cosine plus or minus e comma 0 plus or minus a into e value is 10 here, so 10 comma 0.